Greetings, Dragon and Dragonflies. This is Ragnarok, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank going commando. Last time, we were on Usla, where it was called.
Thank you for shopping at Megacorp. Please visit us again.
Yeah. Alright, so last time I think we checked the thing. I don't know. Obviously, we had to have, it didn't show us, so. Anyways, next would be to go to another coordinate, which is this way, I think. Or it's this way. It's this way. Yeah. Oh, I love this feature. Alrighty. Let's do this. These are tough at times. I don't even know where most of them are, most of the time. Get off my back! There we go. Come on. Get out of here.
Enemy fighters defeated. Proceeding to the Maktar Nebula.
Yay. Alright. Alright. So, let's do this. That's not. So first we're gonna do this whole planet thing. Then after that we're gonna do the tournament thing. Yeah. Cool. Alright. There we go. Was there another way to go? Hold up. No, alright. Whoa, bad luck! I have terrible luck. Again, I have terrible luck when I play those things. Yeah. Alright, next. Obviously not that way, so this way is the way. Like a boss. Okay, I don't know if that exploded on me, that'd be hilarious. Boom! Oh, dead. Alright. Okay, fail. 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 Oh, come on. Got it. Finally. Got it. There we go. Alright. How long am I recording for? 10 minutes. Sweet. Alright, into the ship.
To disable the jamming array, destroy the 6 transponders. Expose transmitters with the bolt crank. Press square to attach your wrench and walk around the platform.
Follow these things, you'll get to it.
For a map, press select or R3.
I'm just letting them hit me. Now. Because I'm too good at the game. Right, so you can't follow it that way. But you can go this way. Oh, glitchy. Okay, so third swing, don't do. I'm going to die. I am going to die. Hit it! There we go. There's one. Let's see. I almost missed that. That would have been bad. That would have been bad. That would have been horrible. That would have been horrible. That must really suck all of a sudden. Alright, I found them. It's this way. Oh, go away. Oh, go to hell. What? Oh, crap. No, no, no. No. Hell no. Hell no. I'm not letting them kill me. Oops. Oh crap. I missed it. Because I'm paranoid I'm gonna die. And I don't want to die. How do I? Good luck. Good luck, I can't even hit him. Good luck killing me. I'm being a pansy and just sticking up here. Get wow, I'm totally missing. Oh, it's not even down here. At least I hope there's not. Good, not good. Good. Dude, what the heck? Why is it doing that? Atta! Atta! I can't even hit him. Come on. Got him. Cool. Oh. No, 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 no. I'm so paranoid, guys. Obviously. I didn't make it. By the way, do not land in those red things because you will die. And that is a promise. Okay. Yes, I'm being a pansy again. I believe that was all of them. Yep. Right. Plus that guy, which I cannot hit. There we go. I got him. Oh, crap. There we go. All right. You know what's really funny is that you can do really good at the game if you're low on health because you don't want to die. Well done.
Good work, my boy. You are proving to be invaluable in this underwear. Anywho, it appears the thief is now under the protection of thugs for less. But I may have found a way for you to insinuate their operation.
Is it dangerous?
No. Actually, yes, it is.
Good.
Take a look at this.
The wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, the bugs in your teeth. You are the Desert Riders.
Before I became a desert rider, I didn't fit in anywhere. I had low self-esteem, bad breath, and a thing for ladies' undergarments. But these guys understand me. They really do.
You know, I'm just here for the bake sales. Oh, yeah, I also make these cheap gloves for all the guys.
So if you've got what it takes, use this temporary membership to enter the most grueling hoverbike race in the galaxy. Win it and become one of us. Desert Riders, the #1 leisure choice of thugs for less.
Desert Riders all use Megacorp bikes, so I just had to pull a few strings. Contract me as soon as you get more indignation. This widget out.
Sounds like fun. Wow, fail. I didn't even see the bomb there. I feel like an idiot. I really do. Hit the guy. Okay, good. Now let's go. I gotta end the video here, so until then we'll move on to the arena. See ya.